Hello everyone. So we will wait for 2 more minutes to start our webinar. Let's other participants join in. So hi everyone. Hi all the educators, creators. Thank you for taking out your valuable time and coming and joining this webinar. So in today's webinar, we will be discussing how to build a completely white label Android app through Learnyst. So today we will be covering all this topic like preparations and app building, Play Store account setup, app configuration and publishing, and conclusion. So in today's technology area, right, we will be like the application is one of the most useful resource. So today's business can be benefit from Android app development in gaining more customer, increasing your sales, improving their brand images, and creating loyal customers of yours. So it's very much like application is much needed in today's business world. So basically, if I talk about it, is very simple to integrate a secured platform and a quick deployment and open source and a branding. Adaptability and scalability is also there. Convenient to the user as well. Okay. So first of all, we will be looking into the slides like what are the things required by us to develop any applications. So first of all, you have to like create your app name and bundle ID will be required. Disable your app security, create JSON file and security key. All these things are is been required. So basically what we will do, we'll go directly to the admin app and we'll see how we can build it. So this is the admin app you can see. On the admin app, we have an option called website and applications. On this which we have an option of mobile applications. You can see there is an option for you to build an build app. We'll click this build app sections. You just have to create write your app name, ignite mine like I have already did it, and the bundle ID. Bundle ID is something like it will be your domain reverse order. Okay, you just have to put your bundle ID in that case, and when you have will click on next. So in next, that this is something we call it app credentials will be required. So for this JSON file and say server key, we have to go into Firebase. So when you click on this Firebase account, go to console option is there. There is an option for you to add project. So your project name will be your app name. As for example, I have already created like Ignite Mind. Continue. If you got your Google Analytics and all, then you can enable it. Otherwise, you can disable this and can create project. It will take some time, around 2 minutes, to get it created your projects here. So as you can see, it's your new project is ready. We can click on continue. So this the user interface it will be appearing. You have to click in this Android options. When you click this Android applications, you have to write your package name. That is the bundle ID. You have to put it up. What you have put up here in the app building sections. Please do not make any mistake and put different bundle ID. If different bundle ID would be there, there will be no like account won't be get created, and it will get an error messages. So whatever the bundle I have put up there, I'll put here. The app name you have to mention it, whatever the app name you have written, and then register app. So there is a like JSON file has been created. You just have to download this JSON file. It's called it's already downloaded in the downloaded sections. So click on next, scroll down, again next, continue to console. So now I'll come back again to the admin app sections. Here I have already added my JSON file here and the server key. To get the server key, you will be have to create this Ignite Mind option, settings options, cloud messaging options. You can see the cloud messaging app is disabled. So you have to enable this first. So you have to enable this from here. So it's got enabled. When you go here, you have to refresh this page once again. As you can see, it's already been enabled, and you can see in the down we have got the server key. You just have to copy this server key and come back to the admin section, and then you have to paste this server key. The first thing, you have to create your app in the unsecured form, because to take the screenshot later on you have to build it in unsecured mode. Then you have to click the next options. These are the graphics we have to enter. I have already added some of my graphics. You can like use the Canva to create your graphics, right? When I click next, this is the confirmations. It will be like final confirmation from your side. This is your app name, bundle ID, all thing. When you click on submit build now, it will be taking 20 to 40 minutes to build your applications. Okay, so you can see here it is in progress already, right? But I have already created, you can see in the build history. It's already, we will be already created with Ignite Mind. You can download this APK file from here, and you can use it in your phone to check it how exactly it would be looking. So I'll just do one thing. Whatever the app I have built, I have already taken the screenshot of that app. So how exactly it would be looking. So this is the illustration of the app. You can see this is your login page, sign up page. This is the inside the page. You can see this is the page inside the test when someone is going to buy that course, right? Now the next step is like after creating this, you have to again go back and create in the secured form. Once you have built the unsecured application, you have to go back and build it in a secured form, repeating the same process again. Go to build app sections. So it will be taking some time to build it. Okay. And repeat the process. After that, you have to go to the like Google Play console. There is an option for you to create an app, right? In this you have to place your name of the application. Like I have already created Ignite Mind. Default language, you can set it up as an English. App name or a game, that this is an application, is an app. After that, free or a paid options, you can see basically it will be a free only, so you can click on free. These are the declaration. You just have to check this and create app. So this is the dashboard appearing here. You can see you have an option like start testing now, set up your app, right? When you click the setup of your app, there is a list of sequence that you have to follow, like set privacy policy. When you click this set privacy policy, you just have to put your privacy policy here. You don't have your privacy policy already built, you can go to the Google and generate privacy policy. You can click on this and build your privacy policy generator. You can see these are option, you can from here you can build your privacy policy. Since I have already built my privacy policy, I'll just copy and paste all that. Click on save here. Go back. View task. See, I've already done. Now app access, you have to go in app access. You just have to give the access, like all our some functionality in app is restricted, all functions in my app is like, you have just to click and save it. It's already done. Now again go back to the user dashboard. Go to the next sections like ads. If your app contains ads, just click on yes or no. Basically no, my app doesn't contain ads. Save. So again go back to the dashboard. Just check in the sequence what is the next thing I have to do. Content rating and all, you just have to enable all this thing. There is a questionnaire here, you just have to question all that, like email address. Basically the category of the app you have to, like it's a social or a communication game app, all other types of app, right? So this I have mentioned it, all other type of app. I click on next. Like download app, does the app contain any rating relevant content? You just have to click yes. Violence or bloody gory images, no. Like does the app contain pictures or sound likely to be scary or horrifying? Basically it will be all no only. No. It's a gambling themes and all, it's no basically. So does the app contain any potential offensive language? No. Basically all the questions will contain the no itself. No. Rude humor, just click all this no and proceed. Online content, does the app features and promotes the content that isn't part of the initial app download? No. Promotion or sale of age restricted product or activities? No. Just click on this no and proceed everything. No. Does the app allow the user to purchase digital goods? Yes. In the app, web browser or search engine? No. In the app, primarily a news or educational product? Yes. So after doing this, you just have to save it. Just go back to the dashboard again. So it's in progress. Just wait. So we'll just save this one. Right. Now again we go back to the content rating and all. Right. We go to dashboard again. Target audience, you have to mention your target audience, which age group of people will be dealing with this application. So basically it's my above 18, so it will be 18. I'll select and I'll proceed next. So Could you stir the listing an unintentional appeal to the children? It's no. So just save this again. So we'll go back to the dashboard again. We'll check for the next step. News app. So it's a news app. No. Save. We'll go back again to dashboard and check for the next step. So the next step, it's COVID-19 contact tracing startup app. So my app is publicly available, COVID-19 contact tracing startup. We'll just save this again. Now this is the second last step, like data safety. You have to give the data safety CSV file here. I have already generated my data safety. I'll export directly here. So I'll import it. So click on next, next, and save it. Now I'll again go back to dashboard. So government applications. So we'll click on this. If your app is developed by on behalf of government, so it's no. So I'll just click on no and I'll save it. So now this is the second last step, store settings. So just give your app name, select the category. All these things are given already, and it's like to get into education, just do all this and save it. Store listing and all, you have to just provide your email address. Like I'll provide my website URL and all, you can save it. So after doing all this thing, again you go back to your admin dashboard. So last step is like set up your store listing. Here I have already mentioned my app name, short description. If you want to give about your application, you can put it up. Like this is an educational app. Full description, if you want to mention, you can mention it. And then this is the place where you have taken when you have created the unsecured app, no, you have taken the screenshot what I have showed you here. Like this is the screenshot while creating the unsecured one. I have taken the screenshot. You have to put your screenshot here for the graphic purpose. For example, I'll upload all this images here. last you can upload the images here. So after doing everything, you just have to go and take the screenshot and enter everything. Yes, just I have entered it. It's coming like images not been submitted. Yeah, now I'll come and save this. So basically, you can upload it here, all your screenshot. After that, you have to like save it and come back to the upload the AAB file here. After it will go into review and it will take some around like Google takes around 3 to 5 days to review your applications, and it will get live after 3 to 5 days, right? So basically, after this, you can see these are the steps. We have to add privacy. Already I have told you, like add data safety into categories and contexts. All these things we have done in a Google Play Stores. I have already shown you how to do it, all this process. So basically, so this way you can create your applications here. It's a very easy process. So it hardly took me around 15 to 20 minutes to create one applications and make it live on a Google Play Stores. The process took this many days. So we will be waiting for some questions. If you have, you can drop in the chat box. We'll come back again in just after few minutes. If you have any question, please drop in chat box. So basically, we haven't received any questions from any of you. So thank you everyone for joining this webinar. Hope all your queries regarding the application has been cleared. If you have further queries, you can drop a mail to support@learnyst.com. We will be happy to assist you further in regard to that. Thank you everyone. Wish you a happy weekend.